What's up, everybody? I'm here to bring you some more Ark Mobile today. And I guess we're going to get right into it. Been running low on fiber, and I wanted to tame a Theory for it, but unfortunately, I don't have enough engrams to get the Theory saddle. But I do have a direbear saddle that has just been sitting around. So I'm over here by my beehive. We're going to get some of this honey here. Well, if I can see it again. And we're going to go tame us a nice looking direbear. And hopefully he'll help us out with our fiber problem. I hope that's enough. Oh wow. I wonder how fast it spoils. I don't know, probably pretty fast. Yes, I'm going to transfer all this into my inventory. And I'll bring you guys back when I see a nice looking... Oh no! Oh no! No, let me on. Ah, no. Come here. Oh god. Level 102. Oh no, get the water. Ah! Oh wait. I forgot I had this thing. You get away from my Pteranodon! No! Where'd you go? Alright, I ain't scared of you. Bring it, buddy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Instant death. Alright, I'll just go ahead and harvest you. Oh boy. He looks pretty cool. What level is he? Level 80. No thank you. Yeah, so this is the tech rifle. I got my free one. I redeemed it on my single player. And it seems to be pretty good, just in case you guys didn't know or were wondering. Yeah. Let's see the health on this guy again real quick. Let's see. Where'd he go? Oh, God. What killed him? Oh. Hey, guys, look. A direbear. Level 100 just destroyed that Spino, apparently. Holy cow. You know what? Let's get him. He's missing 300 health. I think we'll be alright. Let's start with it. I want to start with a headshot. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh. Alright, let's just... Dadgummit. Kill the terror bird! And then... Alright, he's dead. You lost a little bit of health. We'll try it anyways. Why not? Pow. Come here, little buddy. You know what? I can stand on top of my house over here. My old house. Ah, he got me. Alright. Oh god, slow down. Nope, not over there. Oh, he's gonna get me again. Alright, there we go. Alright. Oh god! Where'd he go? Hey, you stop! Passive! Nice, good landing. Ouch! Man. Alright, here we go. I'll just let's stand right here and do this thing then. I don't know how many this is gonna take. Oh, he's gonna get us. Oh, nope, he's running. Oh. Get that bear! Pow! Right in the butt. Alright. Come on, just a couple more. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he's down. Nice, alright. Just go ahead and transfer all this honey over in there real quick. Oh man, I have some soothing balms. over at home. Alright. I'm gonna go grab those and I'll bring you guys back when I'm done. Well, unfortunately, as I was making my way back, I seen these 3 terror birds here spawn in. And one of them, they spawned in right beside my direbear almost. And that one right there, see that? Level 290. Look at that damage he's doing to us. Like, come on. That direbear didn't have much damage or health left anyways. So now we gotta go find another direbear. Hopefully I can find his package so I can get my honey back. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, please be it. Yes. Alright, I get my honey back. Alright. Oh my god, there's one again. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when I find another direbear. Well, guys, I didn't find a direbear in time. My honey spoiled. I don't really have enough to just go get another direbear like that. Oh, excuse me. But I got back. I did have 2 females that were ready to mate, so I went ahead and bred those up. And hey, jeez, I got pheromones for them, and I got some super fertilized eggs out of them because I was able to breed them with perfect male, and so they've all got the same stats and everything. It was 389. Yeah, 389. So 391 will be mutated. So hopefully we get 2 391s. Oh, excuse me. I've just about got them all ready to hatch up here. Go ahead and drop this one and see what it comes out to be. 389. No mutation. Man, that stinks. Let me have a look-see here real quick. Yeah. Nope. No mutation. Alright. Probably get rid of him later. We'll go ahead and turn around. Not even look at that guy no more. We don't like him. And drop this one. Check this one out. Oh my god, look at that! Oh my god, that is so cool looking. Oh, what is your mutation, dude? Oh my gosh. You got a food mutation? Oh man. Yeah, that's a food mutation, I do believe. Yep, I didn't want to believe it, but that's what it was. Oh my gosh, guys. Ooh, excuse me. We have a green anky. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Okay, well. Oh, that's so cool. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this guy. Oh, come on. Oops. I just want your prime meat, sir. This is really buggy right now. Sorry, guys. Oops. Alright, but anyways. We got a green anky! I'm gonna go ahead and imprint him. She's got an hour and a half, so I probably won't do any more breeding this episode. But, oh my gosh, guys. This is so cool. I'm going to go ahead and imprint, like I said. I think I'll go ahead and wait for the rest of them. Oh wow, already 55 minutes? Holy cow. Okay. So I'll just be waiting 2 hours on that one. I'm going to go ahead and wait 2 hours, and I might Get some more fertilized eggs and see what we get out of them. But, yeah, so I think that's going to do it for today, guys. Finish off on a pretty good note. Wish we could have got a better mutation. It is a male. Yeah. Well, I won't kill this one. We'll go ahead and keep him. Yep. Ended on a good note. Imprint him. He'll be my new anky I ride around. I'll start leveling him up really good. But anyway, guys, I will see you next time.